Hi and welcome to the video on how to assemble the Ratchet strap reel or strap winder, however you want to call it. So we start by breaking this print and place ring off that it can spin freely, and then we insert this bolt here, just pull. After that we put the shaft into the crank like this. Now we want to put the shaft into this hole. This can be a little bit tricky. Best way is to push this a bit together and then kind of turn it around till it gets in. Okay, we can click this into place that it kind of holds a bit, and then we take the reel base and we want those slots, this and this one, pointing into different directions. So we kind of put the teeth here, flex this a little bit over the shaft, and then it should click right in. That clicked really well. Sometimes you have to wiggle a bit around. And last but not least, we push over this lock ring. Can be tricky too. If this won't fit over your part, then you maybe have to scale it a little bit. And this is how to assemble the ratchet strap reel.